Hey guys, hang out with me while I make a Mediterranean style salad. Yes, very quick, simple, and easy Mediterranean inspired salad. We got cucumbers, we got tomatoes, we got red onions, we got salt, pepper, olives, oregano. We're gonna throw some feta cheese in there. We're gonna drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna hit it with a little bit of citrus. I got lime, you could use lemon, that's good as well. Let's go ahead and get started. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's get started. I'm going to peel and chop these cucumbers real quick. And I'm peeling mine because I don't like that tough skin that's on these particular cucumbers. So let's peel and chop them, and then we'll get moving with the next ingredient. Don't you blink. I'm telling you, don't you walk away. Don't you turn the volume down. Don't you turn it off and come back to it, because this is a quick and easy salad. Did I say that already? Yes, if you blink, you're going to miss it, honey. It's very quick, very easy. Stick with me. Cut your cucumber to the size and shape that you prefer. This is the size and shape that I like. And so that's where we're going with this. I'm toss that in that bowl, get on to the next one. I told y'all this is quick and easy. I like having these salads on hand because I make more than enough for one serving. Yes, I do, because I know that if I have it in the fridge and it's ready to eat, I will eat that over grabbing something else that I need to cook. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, we on the same page. Okay, on to the tomatoes. I'm gonna cut the core out of there because I don't want to eat that. I do not prefer to eat that, so I just remove that. And the skin on the tomato, I like that. So yes, I am cutting that up and dicing it and throwing it right on in that bowl, just like that. Okay, if you are the type of person that wants to remove skin from tomatoes, do you, boo? Not me. I ain't got time for all that. I like the skin. I'm eating the skin. So in with the skin it goes, okay? I'm just gonna use about a quarter of a red onion, and I'm gonna chop that up a little bit thinner because yes, this is not just for flavor. I'm gonna actually eat the onions with the salad, so I'm gonna dice it up and throw that in there too. Yes, I am. I hear so many people talking about they don't like onions. Hey, I don't, hey, no judgment here. If you don't like onions, don't put the onions in the salad. It's as simple as that. Just leave the onions out. Okay, to me, it adds flavor and gives a little bit more texture. But if you don't like that, completely leave it out. No judgment here. It's your salad. It's your business. Do what you want to do. Now I'm going with one of my favorite olives. You use whatever olives you like. Black olives, green olives, yellow olives, whatever olives you like. That's what you put in there, okay? It's the same briny taste to me. It adds something to the salad, especially mixed with that olive oil and that citrus. Honey, don't leave olives out, okay? Just use whichever olive you prefer. Yeah, I can't judge you because I'm the type of person that eat olives straight out the jar. All right, and I'm just saying, don't leave it out because it does add to the texture and the flavor. That briny taste with that citrus and that olive oil together, honey. This is the dressing that we use, and we're not throwing no other salad dressing on here. This is the dressing. You hear me? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and juice these limes. If you have lemon, use lemon. Okay. It's not going to change the taste of it that much. I use lime or lemon. Depends really on what I have in my fridge. Okay, honey, so let's just go ahead and dress this up and season this up because, yes, we like fresh produce, but we also like seasoned fresh produce, right? So we're going to pour all that lime juice on there. Yes, we are. This is a pretty big salad, so one lime, you might want to go with two. Go ahead and use one, taste it, and see if you want to come back with the second one. That's up to you. I'm going to put some salt and some pepper on mine. Season till the ancestors tell you to stop, okay? Now add some oregano on there. That's in the Mediterranean flavor, so we can't skip that. We're going to drizzle some olive oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. Use what your pockets can afford, okay? I use this all the time, so I always have this on hand. And I repeat, do not skip out on the feta cheese. Yes, feta cheese is what pulls all together and makes it a Mediterranean salad. I'm telling you, this is what makes it stand out from other salads. Otherwise, we're just making a cucumber salad. But this feta cheese right here takes it over the top, honey. So if you like feta cheese, don't skip out. Add it to this Mediterranean salad. Honey, this is what we looking like. This is what we're looking like. We're going to go on and mix that up. Y'all look at me with the rice spoon. You know why I'm using a rice spoon? Because it's my business. I'm using a rice spoon because that's what works well for me to mix this up. I could stand here and look cute and toss this salad with the little special tools for tossing salad, but I'm trying to do quick and easy. Quick and easy. This right here gets right all up under there and throws it on over to the side and up around the bowl and all that. So use whatever tool works for you. Okay? I don't need no chefs in my inbox telling me I'm using the wrong tools. I'm using whatever the heck I want to use to toss my salad. Okay? And that's what we're looking like, that Mediterranean inspired salad. Don't it make you want?